Welcome back to drillingcontractor.org. Today we're getting a preview of NOV's Fluid Hammer, which is expected to be launched at OTC this coming May. Scott Powell, the product line manager at NOV, is here joining me at the 2014 IADC SPE Drilling Conference in Fort Worth. Scott, thanks so much for joining me.
Thank you very much for having me here.
So tell me about the Fluid Hammer. How does it work?
Well, the Fluid Hammer is a new and exciting tool to NOV. It's an original tool. It's never been launched in the world. And NOV's tool, it basically replaces a drilling motor with this new actuating system. And it's a system that moves the entire BHA axially out of like 8 to 10 times per second, to help drill more efficiently. It's basically a performance drilling tool.
So Scott, what are some of the key features of the Fluid Hammer?
The main feature of the tool is in the lower section of the system. It actually allows the entire weight on bit to be lifted at 3 or 4 times per second. It's also powered by the power section, so it's the same elastomer and rotor and stator combination that NOV has in its proven technology. And so it actually is compatible with both roller cones and PDC bits. So you run the same type of drilling system that you have, same BHA. It's very ininvasive into the drilling system, and it basically offers both increased performance and weight transfer.
What kind of applications is it best suitable for?
It's run in a variety of applications, including directional and vertical drilling holes. Right now, most of our target is for harder rock drilling, medium to hard rock formations where ROP and performance is limited by rock compressive strengths.
And I understand that it was field tested or it's being trialed in China. It was launched in Q3 of 2013?
Yes, ma'am. We've been actually trialing the tool for the last 2 years. Most of our runs have started out in China, but we've also had runs the last 2 years in Albania, Mauritania, Brazil. Within the end of 2013, we started getting runs in the U.S., Canada, Mexico, and we also have runs coming up in Poland and Dubai. And we service the tool in different areas right now. So we also have a central base out of Dubai to cover the Eastern Hemisphere, and in the Western Hemisphere, everything's out of the Houston area. So we support the entire NAM out of there. But by next year, by this May, when we launch it, we'll have commercial bases to service and build the tools in every local base in the world.
And specifically, why was the China market chosen?
China was chosen initially because of their difficulty in drilling. They have some harder areas in the Tarim Basin where the performance limited 5 to 6 meters per hour and the ROP-wise. And so when the tool came out, we started seeing 30 to 100% increases in performance in some of these areas. And so the excitement and it took off really fast. So initially, most of our tools went there to just help with demand. And now that we've caught up on manufacturing side, we were able to expand into other markets around the world. And we have plans to be in Australia and Oman this year within the next couple of months, along with Russia.
Well, Scott, thank you so much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing the Fluid Hammer in May.
Thank you very much for having me here.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.